Ever get data from users or APIs? It's messy. Unexpected spaces, random capitalization. It can break your code and corrupt your data. But what if you could sanitize any string in a single step? That's where Python's string methods come in. They're your powerful built-in toolkit for cleaning and standardizing text. No more bad data. Let's get this sorted. Think of your program as a chef who needs clean, consistent ingredients. But the raw data you get is often like a vegetable straight from the garden. It's not clean and it's not the right shape. You can't just throw it in the pot. String methods are what prepare that ingredient in an instant. Applying .strip cleans it, and .lower gets it into a standard format. With one command, the messy ingredient is transformed into clean, uniform data that's ready to be used by your program. So what are they officially? String methods are built-in Python functions that operate on strings to perform a specific task. For case conversion and checking, you have methods like lower, upper, eyes lower, and eyes upper. For cleaning spaces from the beginning or end, you have strip. And to check the type of characters in a string, you can use methods like isNumeric and isAllNum. So where does this matter in the real world? Everywhere. Think about user input on a website. A user might accidentally type extra spaces when entering a postal code, an email, or a password. If we don't remove that white space, it can cause database lookups to fail or validation to break. A quick .strip cleans the data, ensuring that what you're saving or comparing is exactly what it should be. It's a simple but crucial step for making code robust. Let's clean a username submitted during sign-up. Look at this variable. It's got extra spaces on both ends and mixed capitalization. We need to standardize it before saving it. First, we'll get rid of those unwanted spaces. We apply the .strip method. It neatly removes any white space from the beginning and the end, but notice it leaves the inside of the string untouched. Next, to ensure consistency in our database, we'll convert everything to lowercase using the .lower method. This way, eta, and eta are all treated the same. But here's a pro tip. You can chain methods. Instead of using 2 lines, you can apply .strip first, and then immediately apply .lower to the result. Python handles it from left to right. It's clean, efficient, and how most programmers would do it. And there you go. Clean, standardized data, every time. Ready to practice? Head to the Clean Up Your Name input problem on CodeChef, where you'll need to use both whitespace and case methods to format data correctly. The link is in the description. You now know how to tame messy text in Python. Code, debug, repeat, build mastery with CodeChef.